So this one has like a hot mode and a cool mode, and it also vibrates. Hi everybody, my name is Leonah. I'm a beauty content creator as well as one of the members of this year's preview Clique. And today, or tonight rather, I'll be showing you my nighttime skincare routine. So I've put my hair away, and the first thing that I do is remove any makeup that I have on. But prior to filming, I just showered, so I'll just be removing any leftover makeup, any excess, and I'll be doing that with this micellar oil from Sunny's. It's the face erase, and I'll be using a cotton pad. So after removing my makeup, I'm gonna double cleanse and I'm gonna wash my face. I'll be using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. I like this one because it's pretty simple and straightforward. I don't really like using cleansers with like those bits in it. So this one's pretty straightforward and it's very gentle on my skin. So when I use a cleanser, I don't mix it with water right away. I like to dry cleanse, if that's what it's called. And then I just add water when I'm washing my face already. So let me just go do that right now. So after washing my face, I just try to dab my skin and not really wipe it because it's bad for your skin if you're too rough. But then again, I'm still trying to make it a habit. But of course, for this video, I'm gonna dab my skin. Next, I'm gonna use my toner. So I use this one from Hamish. It's an all clean, low pH balancing toner. And every time I use my toner, I like to put it on my hands instead of a cotton pad. And I know I just spilled some, but I like putting it on my hands and just patting it on my skin so that it really absorbs everything. So after the toner has settled into my skin, I'm gonna use a gua sha. And before I do that, I use the Sunny's Dream Cream just so there's like a gel or cream on my face and the gua sha won't feel so rough, like it won't tug my skin too much. And I like this one because it's super duper hydrating. So I tried to put a lot of the Dream Cream so that my gua sha can just glide smoothly through my face. And I use Spinco's Auto Facelift Gua Sha. So this one has like a hot mode and a cool mode, but I only ever use the hot mode, so. And it also vibrates. How I use my gua sha is mostly just based off of other skincare videos I've watched or TikToks I've seen. So please do correct me if I'm not using it right. So after using the gua sha, I'll be using a roller. And I do this just because it feels really, really nice and it's relaxing for me. I don't really get to follow my whole nighttime skincare routine like every single night, but I do try to make sure at least once a week that I get it done. Alright, so we're almost down to the last step of my skincare routine. And this routine honestly is less about trying to make my skin clear. It's more of like a maintenance thing, and it's nice to just really allot some time off the day for yourself. So if I don't get to do this on a daily basis, at least twice a week is enough for me, because after a long day of like work and school and just being so preoccupied, it's nice to have like this time to myself, especially with like a candle or like some good music. I hope you take this as a reminder to have some little time off for yourself. Okay, so for the last step of my routine, I'll be using a serum. This one is the salicylic acid from Full Skin. Sometimes I use this one, or sometimes I use a vitamin C one, but I read somewhere that you're not supposed to mix the two. So for tonight, I'll be going with salicylic acid. So since this is beauty basics, I want to end the video with what I think of beauty. I think that beauty is always going to be an internal thing. It's about what you stand for and what you believe in, and all of those things just kind of manifest into your aura. And I feel that if you believe that you are beautiful and you're very confident in yourself, people will just eventually pick up on that, and that's when it becomes like an external thing. But then again, it's always just a bonus if other people agree with it. You yourself believing that you are beautiful should be enough. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it's a reminder for you to take care of yourself, take some time off, whether it's your skincare or a good book or watching your favorite show. You do deserve it and you do need some rest. So that's it for my nighttime skincare routine, and thank you, Preview. Bye!